What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. We are at Circuit of the Americas. We're at the racetrack. We are riding around looking at cars. They all just peeled off, and I think they went to go drive around the track, but there's a few here left we're going to go check out. And Alice got a flat tire on her bike already, like 5 minutes in. But she's talking to some guy now. She's walking around. Here we go. Look at all these red cars. So we're here because of Hagerty and VWLife. They had a contest. I guess we won. Of course we won. But Hagerty got us the VIP passes in here. And we got like a little carnival and stuff. Pretty cool. So we're going to ride around a little bit. And we're camping this weekend like we did before. So we're going to get back to the campsite in a little bit and start relaxing and enjoying the weekend. But let's take a little spin around the car show here and see who's here. Well, if you can't tell, we're down in the paddock area in the garages where they're doing stuff. Oh, this guy's gonna take off. It's gonna be so freaking loud. He just tried to start it in first gear though. He was embarrassed because he killed it and now he had to take off all fast. But yeah, here we are. Look, it's Matt Jackson. He made it.
Yeah, Circuit of the Americas 2022. If you're not here, you're missing out, but at least you're watching right now and you can enjoy the fun like we are.
Yeah, the fun. It'll be fun later when we go watch the cars kick around the track.
Yeah, we're going to go look at some Porsches here in a second. How about that?
Yeah, we'll see some Porsches and then we'll go check in with Barron Racing, the V guys. They're up in the other parking lot, so we'll go and stop and say hi to them.
Yes, definitely.
Here we go. That is crazy, man.
So they're 1200cc.
1200cc.
Single carb.
Stock, basically a stock motor.
Going 110.
Going 110.
And there's a little shifter right by your hand, by your thigh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, they're fast and they're fun. And he said it feels like you're going 300 miles an hour because you're so close to the ground.
Yeah. You want to go check them out?
Yeah, let's go check them out. V race. Crazy start, and they're gonna haul ass. They're so fast. We're gonna try and go catch them up at the track at one of these overpasses. We're gonna try and get in there and see if we can't get them. This is their whole race for the weekend, and then they have a little short race tomorrow. So let's go. The curves, the last straightaway, one more corner back there. They swing around and then they hit the main straightaway. I guess this is probably mid-track, I guess, but we're camped kind of back in that direction. Pretty awesome. Racing. Oh, there they go over there. You probably can't see that because they're way over there. But they go past that giant Texas flag. This is a short race. How long is this race? Is it 15 minutes? Yeah, it's a short little 15-minute, packed with action. I think Elliot hit the wall or what?
No, he
just got close.
They were racing side by side. He just took the outside and let the other car have the line. He'll get behind them and come back.
Ah.
He just went a little far.
In the marbles.
Yeah.
Got all these $1 million campers over here, and then you go to our campsite and completely combined all of them together might be half of that. This guy's got a rooftop tent rig. Oh, Bill.
I'm gonna get the shot from my... What up? VWLife!
I think they're done.
Dang. Now you're recording.
Oh, this is Matt teaching Mark how to use a GoPro.
You did it, Mark. You turned it on.
I turned it on. It's so cool. Wow. Now how do I turn the thing off? Hey GoPro, turn off.
Yeah, I'm sure he has that turned off. That uses battery.
Oh,
You have to manually push it.
Push it and hold it? It's Jason. So this is what happens to Jason. Oh! There was no racing at the moment.
Here comes some race cars.
right, so the racing finally got done with the racing. Everybody's cooking their food. I think James had race car nachos, and we had hot dogs and steak.
It's different cooking on a pan.
Delicious hot dogs. You can use that grill if you want it.
Oh, it's gone out.
Oh. Okay.
Well, you're saying that our grill is inferior to yours?
No, I'm just saying. I mean, if you want to use a grill, if you're saying it's hard in a pan. Anywho, so we're winding it down. We're getting ready to maybe get that campfire going. We might head up back to the Barron Racing area. We were invited to go hang out with them. We may go up there and hang out their fire for a little bit later. Plenty of firewood this time. I don't have to go wandering through the forest to go pull sticks. So that's it for today. We'll be up bright and early at 7:45 when they start racing those cars. That's the racetrack. That's the bus. I mean, we're probably 50 feet from the racetrack. So I'm gonna work on my sunglass tan tomorrow, see if I can get a little bit more definition. But that's it. So winding down. It's getting dark. See you in the morning. Well, it's first thing in the morning. The sun's not even up yet, and it's boogity boogity time. We're about to go racing. It's literally like 7:45 in the morning.
Remember, I think this is the one that Rick made, but we couldn't find another one. Yeah. But all those blocks, Bill tried to talk me into changing the trailing arms and putting a Z-bar on it. You don't need those fucking bars on there. And I was like, Bill, you know, everything on this car was done for a reason. And I believe in maintaining the integrity of a vintage car.
Yeah.
He just wants to make them better and faster and easier to work on.
All right, there you have it. Even Sean showed up.
Last minute.
Last minute. Racing.
Worth it.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool to watch.
Racing is still going on, but we've had a long weekend and we're ready to get out of here. We got to hang out with the Barron Racing team. We got to hang out with Matt Jackson over there, Mr. VWLife.
Are you gonna leave this in?
Yeah, I'll leave this in.
Oh, hi everybody.
I only cut you out sometimes.
You can cut that out.
But everybody's packed up. We're all getting out of here, getting out of town. We got to go home and live our lives. And I got to let my ears come back because that is so freaking loud being, what would you call that, like 40 feet from the track?
Oh yeah, at least. Yeah, we're
At
right by the
least.
track. You
I mean,
can smell the race fuel.
You can feel it. When those cars shift and they get that backfire, you could feel it in your chest. Especially the bigger, like those, the Corvettes and stuff.
Cobra.
Bonkers.
Yeah, that's pretty wild.
So there you go. Well, hit the links and buy a t-shirt. We definitely need that money to pay for all this new camera gear. Get the t-shirts and visit all the links and visit all our friends and hit the subscribe button. Sean always tells me, make sure you say that. Hit the subscribe button. What do we say at the end of our videos, Matt?
Thanks for watching.
There we go.